You know, some of the prisoners, some people are happy these prisoners are in prison. When you release them, the other people where he came from, they want to lynch him. Lynching. We like lynching. I don't know why. So we go there. No. And sorry. Reintegration. Do you check on those people you have released? We have a whole rehabilitation and reintegration department. I'm surprised we didn't come with anybody from that. Was the condition of food. That's true. It is posho and beans. Posho is number 2, not number 1. And that's what it is. If you add on more resources, we are very grateful. The question of relocation of Ruzira. This is something which we should have done 20 years ago. Because when Ruzira was put, it was outside Kampala. That is they started building in 1921. They completed it in 1927, that big prison. Now it is in the middle of the city. We have industries around it. It's no longer a max prison. If you see, there is that Bishop Chanjiri SS. Then the next land which is enclosed is for a hospital. A hospital which was being fronted by the late priest, St. Benedict's Hospital. It is now a health center, but it's supposed to be a hospital. Then there is Quality Chemicals. Is it Quality Chemicals? Yes. Then you have these other industries also, Woodmaster. Now, in 2008, when we reviewed our own security arrangements, prisons, we wrote a relocation concept. Us. I think we even engaged, there is a contractor who came from Dubai called Emar. You know, Emar is a very big thing. We even reached signing an MOU. But I don't know what happened. We even had land, 300 acres of an encumbered land in Mukono, which we visited. It didn't go through. So this one, which was written recently, is not new. What is our view as prisoners? The honorable member from Chankwanzi asked about labor, prisoners' labor. Actually, if we didn't have prisoners' labor, we would have closed the prisons. Because this labor maintains the prison. We give 300,000 shillings as interest to the officers in charge of units. 300. Is it per quarter? Yes. That is 100,000 per month. So if these officers in charge units were not doing labor, they would not maintain their prison. The inmates earn from this money, invariably. Actually, if you don't pay the inmates, I remove you as OC of the prison and staff. So it has proper management, proper accountability, proper record. That's the simple, and as you know, it's legal for prisoners to do to do labor.
Trillion and you don't say anything. You put to army and then me not discuss all that. That one will be for defense. But at least for prisons, I want to implore you, Chair and honorable members, that this entity we try as much as best and we support the entity.
It brings me to we are building cells. I don't call them prisons. A prison is something very big, but we are building cells to ease congestion. But we are also building staff rooms. I can say that we have eliminated grass-thatched huts in rural prison. We have eliminated grass-thatched huts in Amita prison, in Abim. We have eliminated these unipods and you know they are those buildings we call finimoires. I don't know whether it clicks. If you have never lived in a barracks, you might know what a finimoire is. It is a local unipod, but made of local materials. We have eliminated them in the Rimi prisons. We are building about 400 units in rooms in Chitalia, Minimax. So we are on the move. We shall move as far as we can, as far as the resources can allow. Why? I will get, that is if I will get a prison, not like that one of Ruzira. Some of those cells, by the way, don't have water closets. You know what I mean? If we lock you there, you will not like it. Yeah. I will have staff accommodation. Somebody described the accommodation of my staff in Ruzira. It's I don't want to talk about it because it is not okay. It's inhuman to have these shining stones and you are coming from. Let me stop there. I will get modern amenities. So it should have moved yesterday. When we were building Chitalia, we were actually decongesting Ruzira. But we operate courts from Chitalia. Chigo operates about 9 courts up to Mukono. It was a bit cumbersome, but when they put that road, the expressway, you know, the Munyonyokajans passes via Chigo. Now it is just 20 minutes, they are already here. So this Ginger Road highway, it makes we I think an hour away, max. So the courts are not a problem, but me, I'm looking at what I will get out of that. But the limiting factor, to relocate Ruzira, you need about $100 million. So I don't know which businessman is going to sink $100 million in locating a prison, then again come back to invest in that place. It is not easy. That's why we have spent all this time without happening. And that's why you see the president has to write. When you see president writing, that means things are not easy. Things which are easy don't go to that level. We would have finished like we did the Kampala remand. Kampala remand is a prison which was there in the 1914, 20, like that. It was down here. Plot 2 Nakivu. We relocated it to Nakasongora. Very easy. It didn't go to the president. But where you have hard things. So that thing is not easy, but we want it as prisons. And there is no reason why anybody who likes development should not want that thing to relocate, apart from sentimental reasons that this is Luzira, this is... But in 10 years, those who know Luzira will not be here, will not be mattering in Uganda. That's our view. Let it go yesterday. Disabilities, no.